Hi guys, my name's Mark. Some of you may know me better from the TGC forums as Henry Ham, and this is a just quick introduction to my first ever modelling tutorial. Okay, this is the Powerbox as you can see on screen. This is the model that we're going to be creating. I'm going to take you through the whole process from start to finish, including modelling, UV unwrapping it, laying out the texture, exporting it out into Reloaded with all the files that you're going to need to get it working in game, and then finally uploading it to the TGC store so that you can learn how to sell your own assets. Okay, the modelling software that I'm going to be using is 3ds Studio Max 2009. Now if you don't have a 3D modelling package of your own, you can just go up onto the internet, Google free modelling packages, 3D modelling packages. There's a number of different ones out there to choose from. The most popular one seems to be Blender on the TGC forums, and I've heard some really good things about that, and it should have all the tools that you need to create this particular model. For the 2D side of things, I'm going to be using Photoshop CS2, and again, if you haven't got a 2D art package, there's plenty of free ones on the internet. Again, just go onto Google, type in free 2D Photoshop or something like that. But I know that there's paint.net's one of the free ones out there, and also there's another one called the GIMP. Just be a little bit careful. If you Google the GIMP, you're going to get all kinds of weird and wonderful things coming up, so it might just be worth typing in the GIMP art package or something like that. Okay, as you can see from this model, it's a nice simple model. It's basically just an extruded box, and it just weighs in at 65 poly, so it's nice and lightweight. I designed it specifically with a beginner in mind, so I've just kept it as simple as possible. There's nothing fancy about it. However, I did create it with an opening door and a little interior in there, so this gives you options to have the model either as an opening model, a model with an open door, sorry, a closed door, or even no door whatsoever. And if you're any good at scripting, you could even animate this to open with the press of a mouse button, and possibly put a switch inside it to control a light or the power on one of your levels. Unfortunately, I know absolutely nothing about scripting, so I won't be doing that in this tutorial. Okay, that's basically it. That's the introduction to the Powerbox, and I hope to see you soon in part 1. Thanks for watching.